In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy a Fundingpips account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up any browser that you would like to use. Then from here, you need to go up to the URL and search for fundingpips.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below for you to go into the correct website. From here, this page should be popping up. And now you'll need to create an account to get the challenge so you can get a funded account. From here, you'll need to click sign up here on the right hand corner. And then from here, you'll need to add in your first name, your last name, your email address, password, referral code if you want to do that. I'll have a referral code link in the description for you to check out. And then you need to click I am certain that I am over the age of 18. And you can also optionally keep me in loop with exclusive offers. From here, you'll need to click get funded. And then you'll verify your email. And then from here, it should be looking something like this once you're inside of the dashboard. From here, you'll need to go up to buy a challenge up here. From here, you can see you will need to select a challenge type, where you can either select 1-step, 2-step, 0. If we choose 2-step for this tutorial, you'll need to choose a model, either Fundingpips or Fundingpips Pro. Down here, you can also customize your trading rules, where you need a profit margin for either 8% or a 10%, where you can see if you choose 10%, you'll get a $40 off of your total investment. From here, you'll also need to choose an account size, either 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, or 100K. Down here, you'll also need to choose the trading platform, either MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, or C-Trader. From here, you can go up and search for the coupon code, and you can enter your billing address over here if you want to do that. And down here, you'll just need to click I agree with the following terms and click continue to payment. From here, you'll need to add in your billing and credit card information and then buy your challenge. I hope this helps. Happy trading and good luck with your challenge.